good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It is your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, gang? Hey, I definitely appreciate you for taking time out your day for rocking with Jay. I really appreciate it, guys. But you know what to do. Hit that like button. Put those good vibes in the air. Also, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button. So anytime I drop a new video, you guys are in the loop and you know exactly what is going on. Okay? But it's Friday. Guess what? Some people got paid today, right? I know some of y'all got paid, but what are y'all doing, man? What are y'all doing with that money, really? You know, are you investing in yourself? Are you investing it in something?
No.
Or are you just letting it, you thumbing through the check? Which one is it? You know, because it's easy to thumb through the check, especially on the Easter, you know, Easter weekend, it's Good Friday. People gonna be out spending a lot of money. But I wanted to take some time out to shoot a video today, guys, because I wanted to put a stain on your brain, you know. I wanted to talk about something that's really happening and how we can help you out. And, you know, just in case there's some stuff happening in the background, you have a skill set to where you're going to be fine. Your family's going to be okay. You guys are going to be straight. All right? So, what I wanted to talk about today is I wanted to really hit on corporate America, man, and the government as far as why people are jumping into this business and looking into the online space as far as wanting to make money online. Number one is that when you're in corporate America, people are tired of playing them games. Corporate plays a lot of games. They tell you a lot of stuff to calm you down while all this is going on in the background, and then boom, you gone. You know, surplus, you got to switch locations, something. Then you deal with having to say, okay, I want a raise. 25-cent raise, 50-cent raise. Come home with me. Come home with me. I know I'm hitting a lot of points, man. I know people know what I'm talking about.
I'll tell you what. You show me a pay stub for $72,000 on it, I quit my job right now and I work for you.
Or what about that 30-minute lunch? That's bull. You know, a 30-minute lunch, it takes you 10 minutes to get out the building, 10 minutes to get to the place, and then if they're busy, that might be 15 minutes, so now you're late for lunch, and now they want to write you up. Come on, man. People get tired of playing those games. People really get tired of playing those games. And if you see me looking down, guys, I took some notes here as far as my shoot my video. You know, if you're serious about your video, guys, and there's certain things that you want to talk about, there's nothing wrong with taking notes, you know, literally, because, you know, I feel like I want to produce value for you and let you guys understand. Put the stain on your brain, like as I mentioned. Okay? Another thing is this. You know, you have corporate America to play the games. All right? Now, what about people that depend on the government? You know, the government, you know, they still have, there's things that are being taken away where people now, they have to work still. You know, I know people have seen, I've ordered pizza before and I've seen some little granny come delivering pizza at my door. And I'm like, man, whose grandmother is out here at 10 o'clock at night delivering pizza or doing DoorDash? Like, what's going on here? Or when you see the little greeters at Walmart or Walgreens and they got to work. They don't want to work. They want to be somewhere in Florida, retired in the sun, hanging out with their husband or their wife or something like that. You know? But they have to work because of a situation that may happen. Now, what are you doing? You know, I talked about 5G. I talked about artificial intelligence the other day. About how so many things are about to be in place where jobs are going to be replaced. What are you doing? What are you doing? So, corporate America and the government, they don't have an answer. They literally don't have an answer, guys, for us at all. So, what I wanted to touch bases on is that let's stop spending more. Let's stop trading time for wages. Let's stop giving up our life for other things and start spending it more with our family and learning how to make money in the same time and do it fun, have fun with it, okay? So what I wanted to do was introduce you guys, and if you're new to this video, my page, I wanted to introduce you to a system, and everyone that's been watching, you kind of know I've been talking about this because I'm so fired up about this system. It's the MyEcon. MyEcon, guys, right now it has 2 programs that are involved in this program that's literally going to teach you things and allow you to make money in the same time. And when I mean make money, good money from the front to the back and residual income. All right. So first things first, guys, with this system here, it's a free system. America's favorite 4-letter word is free, F-R-E-E. Everybody loves free. But inside that system, we have income streams that teaches you, one, financial literacy. And when we mean financial literacy, guys, I wanted to talk about some things here, okay? Financial literacy, we're going to teach you how to actually manage money. So if you do work for if you do have a 9 to 5, right? we're going to show you how to actually fill your W-4 out the correct way to put more money in your pocket, to then pay off debt or invest that money. So let's just say, for an example, you have a $400 car payment, right? And now you're bringing home an additional $200 to $500. Let's say you put $500 on there extra now on top of the car payment. So that car payment that you just had for 5 years now, you've cut that completely down now, and you paid that you paid it off within less time. Now you can take that additional money, invest it in things, or start a business and produce income for you. So now you're able to sit back and have money being made while you're just chilling. Now, if you ever heard of making money while you sleep, it's a beautiful thing. Trust me. And I really want to introduce you to it, okay? And that's what I'm doing right now. Literally, you're going to be able to do this, and it's going to create passive income. Most people don't understand what passive income is when something just comes regularly. You know, it's just passive for you. When you've done the work once, and now you're just letting your money work for you, and we show you how to do that. Another thing that we want to talk about, guys, is actually about the credit portion of it. The credit portion is 68 million people need to actually have credit repair. So I'm sorry, not credit report, credit repair. Okay? 68 million people need to at least have credit repair in their life. So guys, think about this. When you have bad credit, you're paying more for something. Something that costs you, that could cost a person with good credit $100 in interest, it's paying you're paying $900 in interest. So you pay for that things 10 times X, 9 times X. You've done that. You overpay because of having bad credit, and you're okay with it. We're going to teach you how to actually remove negative items off your credit report. Okay? So that's the first thing. We're all about helping you. So we're going to teach you financial literacy. And with this program, guys, they just introduced this last night. You're able to... phone was ringing. All right, so pretty much you're going to be able to earn $100 commissions with this system up front and $90 commissions up front, okay? Now, in the system, we're going to break it down as far as how you're going to be able to get those type of commissions here. This is something they just rolled out yesterday with the first income stream in this system, okay? And then you're going to earn residual income on the back end. Very, very powerful. Very, very powerful, guys. Think about that. Those could add up, man. Those commissions add up. Now, on the back end, we're going to actually teach you online marketing. So, there's no point in you signing up for something, right? And we don't teach you how to go out here and tell people about it. I have people that'll say, Jay, you know, I went and I chased a lot of family and friends. I shot one video. It doesn't work that way. Guys, we're going to teach you how to actually generate leads and not chase family and friends. Because we want to show, once you start, producing proof, that's when family and friends are going to be like, what is this that you're doing? Why are you making all this money so fast? And then they're going to want to know. So we're going to teach you not to chase family and friends. We're going to teach you how to brand yourself. We're going to teach you how to actually do follow-up emails and literally do this on autopilot, guys. We're going to show you how to actually do this. Now, with the second income stream, right, it's all about teaching you online marketing. So there's no point, again, joining this business if you're not going to learn how to actually do something. If you go to a job, what do? They have to train you on the job. They have to show you exactly how the job works. And then you're going to be able to excel, but you got to know what you're doing first, right? You got to know what you're doing. So it's the same thing here. You want to invest in yourself. That's why we say put money in yourself, invest in yourself, read books, listen to affirmations, do different things to keep your mindset better. And that's to get your mindset better. And these are the things that I constantly talk about, that if you follow me in my videos, I'm definitely going to constantly let you know, guys, read books, listen to audios, do things like that, because in this game, you don't have a boss. You are your boss. You are the boss. So nobody's getting you up off your shoulders to go do anything. You have to be able to say, I'm going to get up and I'm going to go do this. I'm going to take the initiative to learn something different, like all of us. And guess what? It pays off. It pays off. It's not hard. There's so much. You can take YouTube and just take notes. Do notes. Get you a book and take notes. There's nothing wrong with it. Like I'm doing right now. I shot video. I'm shooting a video and I'm taking notes. I took notes of what I wanted to talk about and put points on. Okay. So you're able to earn $100 commissions up front with the first commission, and then from there, guys, it is $34 a month. Once you're inside the business. But again, we're going to teach you literally everything you need to know about financial literacy and help you make money at the end of the day. We have people making anywhere between, I'm going to be honest, guys, $10 all the way up to $10,000 a week, honestly. So sky's the limit, all right? But with the secondary portion of the program, guys, you're able to earn instant commissions. These instant commissions you can earn anywhere between $25, $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000. All right. Now each level each level has its own set of training. It's a vault of training that's going to teach you online marketing. So at the $25 level, it has its own vault, the $100, and so on. Now as you come in, here's the thing: you want to come in at a comfortable level for you because you're going to be qualified for all those other levels. Now I had a person that, you know, and some people are not going to be as nice about this. Okay. I had a person, right? They came in at a level. Then they had somebody ready to come in at a higher level. Unfortunately, you know, that person was like, hey, you know, this is not you. And they reached out to that person and they said, you know what, hey, I'm not at that level. And that person said they're going to wait on them. So I told him, I said, hey, man, look, I don't want them holding up their business. But what's going to happen is that if you don't hurry up and do it, they're gonna upgrade. And then it will come. So position yourself so you don't lose funds, okay? So when you come in, let's say you come in at the $500 level, you're going to be qualified for the $500, the $250, $100, and the $25, the $1,000, and so on. So if you come in at the $250 on down, you're qualified. So if anybody comes at those levels, you're going to be able to get you a commission. So that's why we say instant commissions, and those are some nice commissions when they're able to come in. Think about two $500 commissions. That's $1,000 that you've made. What can you do with an extra $1,000? That's somebody's mortgage. That's somebody's car payment. You know, that's a lot of things for people. So don't think that you can't do anything, guys, because you want to be positioned, man. We're going to help you. We're actually doing webinars. We have done for you message follow-up systems message follow-up series that actually will go out to your prospects and to your leads. You can export your leads and put them into your own autoresponder if you choose to. But guys, we're going to show you how to literally do this and make a ton of money in the front and the back end, okay? The commissions don't stop. People are steady joining, and this thing is getting bigger and bigger. And I want you guys to take a part of this. So that's why I want to take the time out. And we still have other income streams on the back end. And again, that's just about branding. But the main income streams are on the front, and we're going to literally teach you financial literacy as far as what to do with your income that you're making. And then we're going to show you how to make money and pretty much be able to do whatever you want to do, guys. Be able to just print your own print your own money. When you learn online marketing and a skill like this, you can go do a Facebook ad, and people, and you know, depending on what you're marketing and promoting, you can make a lot of money very, very quick. Okay? But why not be in a position to offer something that you know people want? People want to be able to go out here and make money. So why not show them? And why not be an assistance to them? You know, help people to help people, and you will be okay. All right, so guys, I hope you found some very, very good value and some information about the My Income Club. We're going to be adding more income streams inside because we don't want to confuse you. You know, people go out and they'll they become program jumpers. What we call it is shiny ball syndrome, and they're not making money in none of their programs. So they're jumping. This way, you're able to promote one link, and when we're working, when all the emails are being sent out, when we're putting on Zoom calls for you to invite these people, and we're sending out messages to them to upgrade to one of the income streams. Okay, so we just want you to get as many people to the link. Just get as many people to the link. We're going to show you the Facebook ads. We're going to show you Instagram ads. We're going to show you Twitter ads. We're going to show you YouTube placement ads. But you have to be positioned. So that's our whole goal, is to help you win when you're part of My Income Club, guys. So there's going to be a link. It's going to be in the description. And I want you to check it out. Definitely sign up for your free system. And then go through, plug into the income streams. And I look to see, I will be happy to see you on the team and be a part of the club, guys. You know, we have a Facebook group with the support inside. They're not tech support, but with the support in the movement, okay? So if you have questions about things that you should do, we got you. You know, especially if you join under me, guys, reach out to me. I never have a problem. Just definitely, you know, let's set up a time to speak and talk so that way I can know what's going on. I literally have to screen my calls, guys, because like I said, I've had people that'll call me and give me a whole life story just to say they'll think about it. So, you know, my whole thing is go over the videos. Check everything out. And then whatever you don't understand, reach out to me because I want to be able to answer those final questions and get you going. All right? So guys, I look forward to working with you. It is a beautiful and blessed Friday. I know a lot of you guys are paid. Let's put that money in the right places and invest in yourself. You know, at the end of the day, you're getting something that's going to allow you to actually learn how to eat forever. Not just somebody saying, hey, join this and I'm gone. No, I want to actually let you know that this is real because, guys, I've been making large commissions with these programs. I've been doing my thing, and I want you to be able to take advantage of it as well. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and log out, man. It's another Friday. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button once again. This your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed day. I'm out.